good morning. Welcome to my channel Balu Master. Today I am going to discuss Target Comet K 2020 Part 4 matrices topic, friends. Compulsory in Comet K examination, one question minimum they are asking from matrices, and they can ask maximum 2 questions, friends. Coming to here, our first question, friends. Inverse of the matrix cos theta minus sin 2 theta sin 2 theta cos 2 theta is equals to what? Generally, inverse having the formula, I think everyone knows very well. So A inverse is equals to adjoint A by det A. This is for 3 by 3 matrix usually we are using. For 2 by 2 matrix we are going to use A is equals to A, B, C, D, means A inverse having direct formula 1 by AD minus BC into D minus B minus C A. So by this approach the problem will be very easy, friends. This is equals to A inverse is equals to 1 by AD. AD means cos 2 theta into cos 2 theta cos square 2 theta, formula minus BC minus of minus plus sin square 2 theta, that's what 1 into D minus B minus CA. D is what? Cos 2 theta minus B minus of minus plus sin 2 theta minus C, that's what? Minus sin 2 theta. Then A is nothing but what? Cos 2 theta. So which option correct? Means 1 by 1 is nothing but 1. Cos 2 theta sin 2 theta combination minus sin 2 theta is there. That's what? Which option correct, friends? Option 3 is correct answer, friends. Option 3 is correct answer. This is one of the method. This is what? Method 1. For example, in your examination, friends, instead of 2 by 2 matrix, they are asking 3 by 3 matrix. That time how to solve? That is a complicated. You don't have any direct formula to evaluate A inverse for 3 by 3 matrix. That time you are going to use A inverse equal to adjoint A by det A only. Det A you have to find out. If it is not equals to 0, then go for adjoint A. Adjoint A is nothing but cofactor matrix transposition. So transposition of cofactor matrix means first of all you have to find out cofactor matrix. That is too complicated. That's what how you are going to solve the other method. So method 2, by using method 2, for example, if it is 3 by 3 matrix is given, so that time how to evaluate means I want to explain now only. Look at carefully, friends. Very simple, friends. Just you have to concentrate properly. They are asking this matrix A inverse, let it be called A. This is so given matrix A means so your answer compulsory A inverse is there. So if you multiply A and A inverse, you are going to get identity matrix. Identity matrix means this is 2 by 2 matrix means 1 0 0 1, you will get it. Means if you multiply this matrix and your answer, which option gives identity matrix, that is the correct answer. So how to solve this one means just draw the line like this, horizontal line, then vertical lines here. This is horizontal, then vertical lines. Then coming to here, you want so diagonal elements once you want. Look at here once cos 2 theta into cos 2 theta cos square 2 theta minus into plus minus. So that's what it never gives. So matrix multiplication, I think you know very well. Cos 2 theta cos 2 theta, then you have to multiply with this. Then this is not an identity. That's what first option clearly wrong answer. Coming to next, cos 2 theta, again the same cos 2 theta sin 2 theta combination only there. That's what second option also correct wrong answer. Of course fourth option also wrong answer. Directly you can able to evaluate third option. So by multiplication, which option gives the element as 1, that is the correct answer. For example, if more than one option gives 1 means then that time you should go and check for next element. So by this approach also the problem will you can able to solve very easily, friends. Coming to second question, friends, if A is equals to 1 2 0 1, then what about A power n? Very simple question, friends. First of all, let us take n is equals to 1, friends. If you take n is equals to 1, what happened? A power n is equals to A power 1. So if you take A power 1 means A power 1 is nothing but already given question 1 2 0 1. Means in your options, which option gives 1 2 0 1 while substituting n equal to 1, first you are going to give that priority. So for example, if more than one option is getting, that time you should take n is equals to 2. Let us check, friends, what will happen here. If you take n is equals to 1 here, 2 power 1 2, 2 minus 2 0, but you want 1 2 0 1 you want according to that, but you are getting 1 0 0 1. That's what this is wrong answer. Coming to next, if you take n is equals to 1, 1 square is nothing but 1, 1 1 0 1 is absolutely wrong. Why? Because this is 1 2 0 1. That's what clearly wrong answer. If you take here 1 into 2 1s are 2 0 1, yes, satisfies. Don't pick the answer, just check the remaining options also. Then if it is more than one option, you are going to check for n equal to 2. Then coming to here, 1 square is nothing but 1 1 1 1 1. This is also wrong answer. Then obviously third option has correct answer. I hope you understood very clearly, friends. If more than one option satisfies, just go for n is equals to 2. N is equals to 2 means a square you have to do. A into a, you know very well, a square. Then which two options satisfies, again check for those two options. So then definitely one of the option will satisfy, friends. Coming to next, if a is equals to 1 minus 1 1 2 1 minus 3 1 1 1, 10b is given, friends. Then and also given b is the inverse of a. So b is the inverse of a means what it is given. B is the inverse of a means what is the meaning, friends? B is equals to a inverse given. B is equals to a inverse. So based on this concept only we are going to evaluate this sum, friends. Look at carefully. So now b is equals to a inverse means let us write down b is equals to a inverse. Just what you are going to find, friends. No need to find out a inverse and all. So you have a logics, you have formulas. According to that you have to apply. Now what I am going to do means I want to apply both sides a. If I multiply with both sides a, that's what AB is equals to A inverse. A I applied left hand side. So A inverse is result always nothing but I, friends. A inverse result always nothing but I. That's what you have. AB is equals to identity matrix is there. That's what do, friends. Just you multiply these two matrix and equate to identity matrix. Then by using that result you can able to find out the value of alpha. So that's what you are going to write, friends. A and B product I wanted. So A is equals to what? 1 minus 1 1 2 1 minus 3, then what? 1 1 1 into B matrix is nothing but 1 by 10 times, just 1 by 10 I'll write here. B matrix is nothing but what? 4 2 2, then minus 5 0 alpha, then 1 minus 2 3. This is equals to, you are going to get 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 identity matrix required, friends. Then this is very easy, friends. No need to take much tension. Just what you are going to do means just you have to draw horizontal line and vertical line, then you should equate, friends. Horizontal line then vertical line. Why? Because if you want to multiply these two means this is the procedure. Now while you are multiplying this one, will you get alpha? Check it, friends. Nowhere alpha. While you are multiplying this one, will you get alpha? No, friends. While you are multiplying, you will get it alpha, friends. This element is which element? First row third column. First row third column means which element, friends? That is what? 0. Let us multiply, friends. So outside 1 by 10 is there. 1 by 10 into 1 into 2 2 minus 1 into alpha minus alpha 1 into 3 3. That is equals to this element equal to this element, friends. That is what? 0. 10 and that side 0 into 10 10. That's what 2 plus 3 equal to 5. 5 minus alpha equal to 0. Then alpha is equals to 5. Very easy to evaluate, friends. Coming to next examples, friends. Order of A equal to 2 by 3, order of B equal to 3 by 2, order of C equal to 3 by 3. Which of the following is not defined? They're asking, friends. Very simplest question. This is through options only we are going to solve. C into A plus B dash given. First of all, C means what, friends? Order of C is nothing but 3 by 3. So A plus B dash. A is 2 by 3 plus B dash. B is 3 by 2. B dash means 2 by 3. Whenever you are adding two matrix, same kind of matrix we can able to add. If you add two matrix, you will get it again 2 by 3 matrix only, friends. This is what? 2 by 3. So this is 3, this is 2 means this matrix multiplication does not exist. Coming to next, friends. C is nothing but what? 3 by 3. And A is nothing but 2 by 3 plus B dash. B dash means 2 by 3 whole dash. 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 gives 2 by 3 only. Whole dash means that is what? 3 by 2. It will be ulta. So 3 3, the coming matrix is 3 by 2. It is exists. So automatically next, B is equals to, friends, B is nothing but 3 by 2 matrix. A is nothing but 2 by 3 matrix. C is nothing but 3 by 3 matrix. So that's what this is exists. This is exists. Coming matrix is 3 by 3. That is also exists. C is nothing but, friends, 3 by 3 and B is nothing but 3 by 2. Plus A dash is nothing but 3 by 2. So this is 3 by 3 means coming matrix 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 means 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 means it is also exists. The coming matrix is 3 by 2 only. So which is not possible, friends? So this is not possible. So option 1 is the correct answer. Just simply I discussed, friends. Actually, whenever it is not possible, you can tick the answer directly. So only one of the option only fails, which is not defined is given. Next, coming to next, friends, a is equals to 1 minus 3 2k and a square minus 4a plus 10i is equals to a. Then what is the value of k? Very simple, friends. First of all, you let us simplify this equation. So this can be written as a square minus 4a minus a. That's what minus 5a plus 10i is equals to 0. 0 means null matrix. That is what you are going to write. Just you have to find out a square, friends. A square is nothing but very easy. A square is equals to a into a 1 minus 3 2k into 1 minus 3 2k. That is what you. So 1 minus 6 minus 5. So then minus 3 minus 3k. Next 2 plus 2k. Then coming to next minus 6 plus k square. This is what a square, friends. Now the question is a square minus 5a plus 10i you want. That's what k containing element. Check it, friends. Why? Because you want k. So let us take second element, friends. Everywhere second element you consider. Second element in a square minus 3 minus 3k. Second element in 5a. 5a means minus 5 into minus 3 plus 15 plus 15. Next, second element in identity matrix. So identity matrix is nothing but 1 0 0 1. Second element is 0. 10 into 0 is nothing but 0. No need to write, that is equals to 0. So which implies minus 3k is equals to 15 minus 3 12. 12 and that side minus 12. That's what k is equals to what, friends? So 4 is your answer. So 4 but not 1. Only one value you are getting 4. So that is only your answer. If you check with any other element also, you are going to get k as 4 only, friends. That's what answer is 4. If you have any doubt, once you check with the third element and fourth element also, if may possible one, then go for first option. Otherwise second option only correct answer. Coming to next question, friends, a is equals to 1 2 3 4, then a inverse is equals to dash. Already we discussed the concept. Whenever 2 by 2 matrix is given, a inverse is equals to the shortest formula 1 by ad minus bc into d minus b minus ca. That's all the formula. That is what a inverse is equals to 1 by ad 4 minus 6. That's what minus 2 into d minus b 4 minus 2 minus c minus 3 a1. That's what this answer is correct answer, friends. Which option correct, friends? First option is correct answer, friends. So from matrices, friends, they're asking the questions are very easiest formations only. That is for today's class, friends. Again I'll come with the new topic, that is what determinants in the next session, friends. That's all for today's class, friends. Thank you very much, friends. Thanks a lot. Bye, friends.